Welcome to the Belt and Road Face-to-Face.
How the Pakistan as the role of the emerging market.
Within urban development, the water resources management is also an aspect of that.
After this militant conflict, we have to rebuild our economy of Pakistan.
Some programs are specifically for the people of District Gwadar.
China is not only a partner, it also means a huge market.
The main thing is to just start and just do it,
You are watching the Belt and Road Face-to-Face. We're moving to the second part, figure. According to Pakistan Business Recorder, at the Central Asia Regional Economic Cooperation CEREC 2030 Strategy Launching Workshop, Asian Development Bank ADB said its new pipeline for 2018 to 2020 includes about $2 billion per year in assistance for Pakistan, expanding its support to urban development, water resources management, health and education. Pakistan has benefited from regional connectivity investments under CEREC worth $1.5 billion, of which ADB has provided over $800 million. What changes will it bring to Pakistan by an annual $2 billion investment?
We were talking about how the Pakistan is as the role of the emerging market. We have to come back to the economy situation and not the currency situation. Since the 2016, and Pakistan always keep the high growth in their domestic GDP market. And on the other hand, this aid will give the more help to their infrastructures and give them more opportunities to improve their export trade education. And on the other hand, militant conflict has been decreased and cut off in some of the situations. And after this militant conflict, we have to rebuild our economics in all areas of the Pakistan. So this lost money will be used to just for the water resource utility and education and some of the very basics necessary. So whatever the money, I just hope they can be used so target and so well. It is just a result of Pakistan. They want to keep the more closing relationships with China and their all-weathers friends, I think.
Mr. Hanif, as for the about 4 areas, rural development, water resources utilization, health and education, what area do you think is in urgent development for Pakistan?
All these 4 areas, they're connected to each other. Like water resources management, again, water resources management means if potable waters are available, then health will be, it is also an aspect of health. Similarly, urban development, it is like within urban development, the water resources management is also an aspect of that, so all these areas are all linked together. Now to actually identify one out of another or one out of 4, it's very hard to do that. The main thing is to just start and just do it, Annually $2 billion, as you mentioned, to bring that to the country and invest in these areas, that will really, the first thing is to, coming of foreign exchange to the country and adding it in the economy, that definitely, it helps a lot in many aspects. Then investing that in upgrading the public services, all these come under the ambit of public services, providing health, providing education, providing water resources management, and then urban development. All these they come in the public services. Upgrading public services definitely will have a positive shorter as well as longer term impact on the improvement of social life in Pakistan.
What cooperation can be conducted by China and Pakistan in these areas?
To the Pakistan, China is not only a partner, it's also means a huge market. So we have a very big export into Pakistan, but in the future, some years, we can to look forward that many Pakistan enterprises can export more goods to China and do more invest in China. So when we form a kind of the mutual relationships from China to Pakistan and from Pakistan to China, I think it will be phenomenal, and it will cause the more meaningful consequence. So whatever, I just want more private enterprise can join, for example, education areas and some others, even the new economic and industrial, such as the high-tech technologies. Our state-owned enterprise can to take over the more infrastructure areas, and the private enterprise can give the more resources into the education or other social left industrial.
Thank you. Now let's expect the question raised from the Vash studio.
ग्वादर पोर्ट रोज बरोज मट बुहाने बले बलूचिस्तान ए दगा दमग बुनकी आसरातिया महरूमा ए दमगा तामीराती कार कदी बुंगेजबा.
What's your viewpoint?
The government, with certain help from the Chinese government as well, they're also providing some scholarships, educational scholarships to the people of Gwadar. Some programs are specifically for the people of district Gwadar, and there is also a scholarship program by the government of Pakistan for the people of Balochistan, specifically for the people of Balochistan, to have an impact and upgrade the social life in the rest of the province. This definitely will take time, but the beginning has been made already, and in the longer run, some more free zones can also be established in other parts of the province, somewhere on this main line connecting Gwadar to the rest of the country. I think that will also be very much useful to upgrade the social life in the rest of the province of Balochistan. The government of Balochistan, provincial government of Balochistan, they are also in the process of establishing some more and more vocational training institutes, and some more projects, commercial zones as well. So that will definitely also upgrade the social life of people in other parts of Balochistan.